Today's recipe is by popular demand, Pak-Choi and apple salad with vinaigrette dressing. Come to my kitchen, let's cook. For our ingredients, we have washed Pak-Choi, about 11 leaves of Pak-Choi, 1 carrot, a quarter size of cucumber, 1 clove of garlic, some onion, 2 small apples, a tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of diced raisins, some salt, black pepper. That's all you need for this recipe. Let's start by cutting the Pak-Choi. We're going to divide it, the leafy parts, in here. We're going to transfer that in a salad bowl. We'll take the leafy part and cut the same way. Add it to your salad bowl. You take your carrots and do this. Now we are done with this and we're going to place it somewhere in the bowl. Next, we're going to do the same. That's enough. We have enough green, and we're going to add to our salad. Next, we have our apples, and we're going to dice our apples. Take the core out. Our apple is finely chopped, and I'm going to add it to our salad. We're going to dice our onions very finely. You can either use this onion or red sweet onion, entirely up to you. And then you add.
For the vinaigrette dressing, we start by
crushing our garlic. Add our white wine vinegar, balsamic vinegar, our lemon juice, our olive oil. Add our black pepper and salt, about. And then we mix it together. Now, you can choose to add some sugar, a pinch of sugar, maybe half a teaspoon if you like. That's optional, entirely up to your preference. I don't like to use sugar, just to taste at this point for salt, and check if I need more vinegar, more lemon juice or black pepper. That is entirely up to you, so I'll just add a little bit more salt after tasting, just a bit more like this. Again, I'll taste. If you like, you can add more lemon juice if you want it to be a bit lemony, entirely up to you, but I'm okay with my mixture. So you now want to add your raisins. And then you pour your dressing on it. Keep tossing till everything is combined. And there you have it.
Let's taste this bowl of goodness. It's so crunchy, beautiful, and colorful. It's best served fresh. Yummy.
Midanu.